Coinbase Advanced Trading provides a more sophisticated trading experience compared to the standard Coinbase platform. Here's a brief guide on how to use it. Access Advanced Trading. Log into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the Trade tab and select Advanced Trade from the drop-down menu. This opens a new interface with advanced features. Understand the interface. Order book displays live buy and sell orders. Trade history shows recent trades and prices. Chart provides detailed price charts with various technical indicators and time frames. Order entry allows you to place buy or sell orders. Place orders. Select a market. Choose a trading pair you want to trade. Order types. Choose between different order types such as market, limit or stop. For a market order, you buy or sell at the current market price. For a limit order, set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. Enter details. Input the amount you wish to trade and any other relevant details. Review your order before submitting. Monitor and manage trades. View open orders. Check and manage your open orders from the Open Orders tab. Review trade history. Track your past trades and performance through the Trade History section.